What's happening?
Oh! We'll make it.
Something's
We'll make it.
happening.
Okay, the ring has started. It's pulsing.
Whoa!
Oh!
Yo,
What's
this is
happening?
actually perfect.
Oh!
Are you?
This is so
It's happening!
Oh!
I told
He
you.
is.
I told.
Southwest. Southwest. There's a huge figure in the.
Yeah, of course we can see it, Cypher, the plane. Dude, what is he doing?
He's summoning monsters, dude.
Yo! What is that whoosh?
I'm staying in the plane. Are you guys all staying in the
What is
plane?
that?
He's gonna cover the whole map in snow. And
Yo, dude.
Snowstorm. Darude.
Look, yo, I can't see.
My screen's frozen.
Same?
He just punched me in the face.
Did you just cover the whole map with snow?
Yeah.
Yes, he did.
Oh,
Open
it
your
just
mini-map.
changed. It just changed.
Yeah,
the whole map is
just like-
changing. Oh.
What
Is that
happening?
it?
Is that it?
There's definitely zombies down there. Watch your step.
Watch you. Be careful, dude.
Should we land at?
I'm gonna go Happy Hamilton. I'm gonna go Happy Hamilton. I wanna survive this.
Alright.
Yo, lightning.
Oh,
It's happening.
What's that? What's that?
There was a lightning
That's
strike
them
east.
spawning. That's them spawning for sure. They're here.
Introducing Pulse. Broken phone? We fixed that. It couldn't be easier. We'll
Zombies.
The White Walkers.
Wait. Oh, right in front of us. Zombies.
No.
Oh no. They're back, dude.
Oh, I hear zombies.
Oh. Oh, they're literally
They're
just.
actually they're legit back.
Wait, they come out of icicles. Can you beat them?
All of them.
Oh, you
Oh,
can
yeah.
this thing.
They have a lot less HP though.
Oh wow, that broke fast. Now let's see
Oh,
if it can loot like it used to. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I hope this
Zombie.
thing.
I just killed a guy who was fighting zombies.
I honestly love the idea of zombies as long as they're not too
Stupid
overdone.
OP.
As long as they aren't like what they were.
Yeah. It got to the point where there was
Everything that
like
they were.
hordes of 100 in the end game, just like
Yeah.
mobbing everyone who went low.
Oh man.
They made low ground unplayable.
He hit me, bro. Oh, I might be in trouble here. Oh my god, bro. I'm dumpstering kids right now, bro. Oh no, they didn't just get done like that.
Oh shit! Oh my god, that man just got deleted.
Hit the shot. Ah!
Oh my god, let's go!
Oh my god!
Same again, one shot again.
What the? Ah!
Family friendly. Lupo, please.
Tyler, I got tips again.
Oh god.
Just everybody fucking just oh my god, I got 5. It's the most impossible 5 ever.
I'm so
my
fucking
God,
dead.
I hate areas like this.
This game is so doo-doo for pubs, dude. What the fuck? Hey, what's up, buddy?
Couldn't break the wall, so I get laser.
Yeah, what time is Pop-Up Cup at?
I gotta think of a new voice.
Damn,
if
bro,
it sounds that much,
that's crazy.
if I sound that much.
Oh my god! Daquan!
That's crazy.
Oh my god, Daquan!
You know what's crazy is I always watch streams and watch his streams and see how he joins the random.
He literally just did it.
That's Daquan!
Oh my god, it's Daquan!
What? Dude, that wasn't the play, man. Oh, come on. That wasn't the play.
All right, buddy. How am I supposed to hit this? What am I supposed to do?
You have
Bro.
to call McDonald's and let them know that they have somebody hijacking their Wi-Fi.
Bro, what is this crap?
Oh my god! Oh!
That's what he deserves. That.
Yes, he does. Absolutely.
Pay your internet bill, bruh.
This guy's fucking fast.
CO3.
They look like they can count to 10.
Oh, he's right here.
That's a different guy.
Good shots.
But he was solo. There's a dude south
The
195.
one team is tunneled to the front of us, snaking.
No, I got the glitch, bro.
Come here, boy!
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here?
I knew it! I freaking knew it! Arriba! Fuck you! You're doo-doo! Oh my god! This game's doo-doo!
Yeah, yeah. You what? In tarnation was that? You just panic, put down a trap, and kill me? Who invented this play? He's a bot. I'm convinced there's no way this guy knew what he was doing when he put that trap down.
Dude, these guys are killing me if I get out of thing. Oh, I'm fighting somebody else.
You know you're going to hell, right? You can't be abusing kids like that, man. They're our future.